Welcome to Outgrow. In this short walkthrough, I'll show you how to use the date and time input to enable scheduling and eligibility inside your interactive experiences. After logging into your Outgrow dashboard, you'll see a variety of templates, calculators, quizzes, polls, and more. For this demo, I'm choosing a quiz template. You can either create it from scratch or start with a pre-made template. Once the template opens in the builder, you can edit or add any question. Let's create a question that asks users to pick a date and time. I'll change the question type to date and time picker. Let's write, when would you like to schedule your consultation, and add a short description. Choose your preferred date and time for the session. You can choose between different formats: date only, date range, date and time, or date and time range. Each format changes how users select their slot. Additionally, you can also set when the week starts, disable weekends or past dates, allow or block manual entries, and mark the question as mandatory if needed, all from the same settings panel. We also have advanced settings available, which you can configure according to your specific requirements. Once done, hit preview to see how it looks for users. If you'd like to make any changes, you can go back and edit the question, or if everything looks good, simply hit go live to publish your experience. And that's it. Your date and time input is ready to help users schedule seamlessly.